So I'm videoing you, your beautiful, wonderful, excellent brilliance today. And here we are with Miss Aubrey. She'll be answering the Zoom call in just a second as the call comes in. I'll edit that.
Did you hear that, birdie?
Did what?
Did you hear that, birdie?
I did. I'm being a little birdie while we wait for Miss Vicky to call. She's looking for your name now. She'll be tabbing to do call in just a second. You want me to be a birdie again? Oh!
Join button to activate. Press spacebar. Period. Zoom.
You did it!
Zoom meeting.
Okay, you're supposed. Okay, this is what I want you to say. I want you to say, "I did it."
I did it.
Yeah, I did.
You are in the meeting hosted by Vicky Bucignani with 2 participants.
Awesome.
Your audio is unmuted. Your video is on. The meeting is being
Go ahead.
recorded.
Hit your when Jaws starts gabbing away, you can hit your left shift button and it will hush him up. Okay. Okay, Miss Vicky, go ahead and guide her into Word, and let's have her brailing sentences first, and then going up to her laptop
W, word, comma, and comma. Press right
and typing them.
Do you want her to do
Opening
tandem or
dashboard.
not?
Hold on just a second.
Yeah.
Print view. Edit.
Wait a minute, let's ask Miss Denise.
Yeah, she's answering. Well, I didn't even hear the question. What was
Denise!
what was the question, Miss Vicky?
I wanted to know if you wanted her to go tandem or not.
I want to.
Yeah, you can go. Yeah, absolutely. Let's go tandem.
All right,
Allow access to
Miss.
my computer dialog.
She's
Welcome
ready.
to tandem. Period. Enter the meeting ID
gotta
given
get
to you
my
by the person
stuff
doing the access
ready.
in your PC.
What
Period.
she's doing.
Meeting
Got
ID,
it.
colon, edit. Type in text. Period.
No, you need to say, I
I got it.
That's right. Excellent.
Allow access to my computer.
Okay, get ready to type again. And then hit your space bar first.
PG 4465.
Yeah, it's still coming out 5. It's because you have to check, if she's going to do this on the braille display, you have to check her mode. This would be much easier if she was in contractions off. Because have you taught her lower numbers yet, Nemeth numbers?
No, I have not taught her. That's coming up in the next week or 2.
Okay.
It's coming.
Yeah, I want to try something. Hold on.
Number G, blank.
Okay, I want you to do G.7 and space. G.7 and space till you hear off.
Contracted braille off.
Perfect. Now, give her...
Contracted braille on for display.
No. Keep going.
Contracted braille on for input.
I want you to do contractions off.
You got it.
No, you're going to do it one more time to contractions off. We're going to teach you something new.
Contracted braille off.
Beautiful. Give her the 2 numbers. Now, when you do the 2 numbers, you are really good at your numbers, but now we're learning math, okay? Math mode is you just go down 1 cell. What's the first number again?
The 3 numbers are 4.
No. We need to do, PG, right?
Yeah.
Okay, give me
P is
PG.
in Paul.
Yep,
P is
PG.
in Paul.
G.
G.
This will also, less confusion for Casey, because you probably don't understand when she is in contracted mode, when she brailles, nothing will show up until she hits space.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a number. What's the number?
4.
Okay, now, no.
Number.
No. You don't have to do number sign. Erase that.
Number.
Now,
P,
no. Put PG back. Sorry. PG.
P. G.
Now, 4, you know 4, but for math, you go down 1 cell. So instead of 1, it's going to be 2. And instead of 4, 5, it's going to be 5, 6. So give me 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6.
4.
Beautiful. What's the next number?
So it's 2 4s.
Oh.
4.
4, and then a 6.
Okay, so instead of 1, 2, 4, it's going to be 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5.
6.
Beautiful. Okay, what's the next letter?
E as in Edward,
Yep,
P.
and P as in Paul.
she remembers.
PG 446.
Excellent.
Cancel button to activate. Press space bar. Period.
Nice job.
Cancel connection.
Great
Open.
memory.
Document. 1 dash word.
So you have just learned how to do math. Okay,
We got it started.
now, but what I want you to do is you're going to change back to braille mode. Okay, so G.7 in space until you hear contractions on.
Contracted braille off.
Again,
It said contracted braille off.
Contracted braille on for display.
again,
Contracted braille on for input.
Perfect. She's ready for you.
You did it
Yes,
3
ma'am.
times.
You're going to say, I did it 3 times.
I did it. 3
Yes,
times.
you did. Nice job. Okay,
Yes.
Miss Vicky.
Okay, Aubrey. Just a while ago, we were talking about
Hands down.
Where is your cursor blinking on your braille display? Is it on the right
That
or the
one.
left hand?
The
but
left
you
hand
can-
side.
The left-hand side. Nice job.
Yes. Thank you. Now, do you remember how to center?
Oh, have you? Yep.
We're gonna make that dot go into the middle. Do
Center.
you remember how to do that?
Yep, she did
Oh.
it. She's got the command. Have her type,
Yeah.
have her braille something like title or centered.
Okay, now we're gonna put your title. It's gonna be called My Life. This is gonna be about you. So capital My,
That's it.
M-Y,
M. Y.
and then
My.
space, capital Life, L-I-F-E.
L. I. F. E.
Now
And-
enter.
yes.
Enter.
Now we want to get that cursor all the way back to the left-hand side again. How are you going to do that? Inside, Control E. How do you do that? Dots 3, 8.
Align left.
Ah, you did it!
Yeah. Please teach her Control L when she left the lines. Control E
Okay.
is a toggle, but I would rather her learn Control L. Control E. Control J is justify. Control R. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
No problem. So, Aubrey, you are going to write something about your life. What is your name? What is your name again? My name is...
It's Aubrey.
Okay, can you write that?
Enter.
My capital.
Dot 6. M. Y. My. Dot 5. N. Name. I. S. S. Dot 6. A. U. B. R. E. Y. Low D. Aubrey period.
Don't enter. Do not enter.
That is gorgeous.
Now we're going to continue on. How old are you?
I'm 5.
Okay, write it. I am. I told you not to enter.
Backspace. We want it all in one line.
Blank space.
Okay. And
Here
you're
we
gonna do
go.
I
Selected.
am
Aubrey period.
5.
Aubrey period.
She's not.
Now say,
Oh.
I
Dot
am.
6. I. A. M. M.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Are you really?
You are not 5 years old.
You're
How old?
9 years old.
Yes, you
You.
are not.
So say I am 9 years
I'm
old.
9 years old.
9.
9. Y.
Year.
E. R sign. S. Years. O. L. D. Low D. Old period.
Don't don't enter. We're going to continue on. Where do you live, Aubrey?
In Bristol.
Okay, write it. I live.
Dot 6. I. L. I. V. E. Live. I am sign. N.
Bristol's a
B.
proper noun. Oh, Bristol's a proper
Oh,
noun.
you got to capitalize Bristol.
Dot 6. B. R. I. ST sign.
O,
O. L.
period.
Low D. Bristol period.
Now, do not enter. Do you have a sister?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you, let's phrase that. I,
Dot 6. I.
what do you want to say? I what?
I am your sister.
No, I have a sister.
Have.
I have a sister.
What's the contraction for
Okay,
have?
is she a little sister
Have.
or a big sister?
A big sister.
Well, she's
Is she
younger.
younger than you? Is she younger than you?
Okay, so she's never heard this term before, Vicky. So because they're about the same size, So that's what she's comparing it to. So, So,
Is she younger than you or is she older than you?
She's younger than you.
Okay, so we're going to say she's a little sister because she's younger than you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a little.
I.
Ooh, wait a minute. Do you remember I don't think we've gone over this contraction. Let's backspace one. There's a contraction for little. First of all, don't write it. How do you spell little? L I T
T
T
T
L
L
E.
E.
Now, the contraction for little is L L. You already have one L, so put one more L. One there. I have a little space sister.
Little.
Sister.
I. ST sign. ER sign.
Good girl. Period.
Low D. Sister period.
Ah. Do you know your little sister's name?
Yeah.
What is it?
Let me jump in here a little bit because we need to get a recording on her on the computer keyboard also. So,
Okay.
Yep, go ahead.
All right, let's enter. Aubrey, go ahead and enter 2 times, and we're going to have you writing some numbers now, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa. Hold on. I would like her to actually type out sentences so everyone can see her keyboarding.
Okay, before she types, can she warm up her little fingers first?
Absolutely. Let's go ahead.
Okay. All righty, Aubrey, got your hands on your keyboard, your home row?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
A,
A.
S,
D. F. J.
J, K,
L. S. Semicolon. Autocorrect colon S.
Space.
S. Space.
And
okay, the quick
Good?
yeah,
Huh?
you
Are
are
you
that
ready?
good.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Cap? All right, we're going to start a new sentence. So what do you start it with? A capital. The quick brown box. Can you type that for me?
Yes.
H. E.
Space. Quick. Q-U-I-C-K.
I.
C.
C.
K.
K.
Space.
Quick.
Brown.
B. R.
O.
O.
W.
W.
N.
N.
Space.
Brown.
Box. F-O-X.
F. O. S. Foes.
Backspace.
Backslash space. Misspelled S.
Perfect. Now
Put
put
an
an
X.
X.
X. There you go. Jumped. J-U-M-P.
U. M. P. T.
Backspace.
T.
E-S.
E.
No, S.
Backspace over E.
Jump equals space.
Over. O-V.
V.
V is in Vicky. E.
E.
R.
R.
Space.
Over.
The. T.
T.
You know,
H. E.
Lazy.
L.
L-A.
A.
Z.
Z.
Y.
Y.
Space.
Lazy.
Dog.
D. O. G.
Period.
Dog. Period.
Okay, I'm going to jump in here a little bit because she is a very fast typist and this was a brand new sentence for her. So if you can practice on that, Casey, every day.
Enter.
Hit enter. Let's create a sentence where I know she can show off her typing skills. So Miss Aubrey, what sentence would you like to type out?
I like a light.
I like a light. Now, do you remember the GH? Oh, yeah, that's right. We're not doing Braille.
No.
I like a light. I did teach her the GH sign the other day, okay? I like a light. Or do you want to say I like a kite?
I like a light.
I like a light. Okay, go ahead.
Let's write that.
Okay, let's write it.
Write it.
I. L. I. K. E. Light. A. L. I. G. H. T. Light. Period.
Nice job. Okay.
Aubrey, can you show off your numbers and say, I have 3, what do you want to have? I have
Apostrophe.
3.
Autocorrect colon apostrophe. Apostrophe.
Oh, backspace over your apostrophe.
Equals. Apostrophe.
Okay. I have what number of what?
I have 3 kites.
I have 3
Okay.
kites. Beautiful. Go ahead.
Capital.
I. H. A. V. E. Have.
Number 3.
3.
Nice.
K. I. T. E. S. Kites. Period. Space.
Woo-hoo. Nice.
Ooh, can you write, I have,
Enter.
oh, I want 4 cakes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I.
Want.
W. A. N. T. Want.
4 cakes.
4. C. A. K. E. S. Cakes. Period. Space.
Okay, I have to go, so what I'd like to have her
Enter.
say is, see you later.
Can you do this? Can you say, can you write, see you later?
Yeah.
Okay.
S. E. C. Y. O. U.
L-A-T-E-R.
L. A. T-E-R.
Period.
Later. Period.
Thank you for asking
Space.
for help, Aubrey. That was wonderful.
That was. Let's go over how she
Enter.
reads.
Let's
on.
write.
Hold on. Do up arrow so you can hear what you just wrote. Up arrow one time.
See you later. Period.
I love it. Thank you,
Let's do it
everybody.
again.